You want to open it?
This is gonna take me a while. I don't know why it's so good back.
Is there another?
Oh my goodness! Another present in there! This is crazy.
I guess Nando was bored. He had nothing to do.
What in the world is this?
You want to take them out?
Oh, you didn't want a food saver bag?
Keep opening. That's for steak. You
Yeah.
can put your meat in the bag. Do you like that?
A bag? What?
Another present.
It's not that.
Oh my goodness.
Very
Now I
nice.
got it. A Lego set.
A Lego set. Boy, did you have to work for it, didn't ya?